Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open, and as discussed in my previous video, we can see that gold is under pressure. Right now, gold is standing at 1990, the year I was born. Jokes apart, the market is showing strong reaction because when the NFP data came out on Friday, gold market was closed. As a result, it did not get the opportunity to react. So gold is showing strong reactions. You can see here gold dips on stronger dollar after US payrolls data. Gold prices fell on Monday as the dollar firmed after the US non-farm payrolls report pointed toward tight labor market and raised the odds of another rate hike by the Federal Reserve and its May policy meeting. If you look at the chart of DXY, then you can see that DXY after the market opening has not shown any strong move, but gold is showing big moves only because gold did not get the opportunity to react after the news. But still, our analysis on DXY from Saturday is still very much intact, okay, because we spotted a falling wedge pattern on the chart of DXY, and still there is a possibility that in the coming week DXY will be showing further recovery and we may get to see recovery on DXY. And in case market starts falling or DXY shows a downside also, then we have support around the last low made by the market, that is 101.50, 101.40, and the ultimate support on DXY is around 100.80. And if you look at the forexfactory.com or any economic calendar, then you can see that almost all the banks are celebrating holiday because of Easter. So as a result, market should remain except gold. So you may not get much opportunities to trade on other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, and all the Euro and GBP pairs. So all the eyes will be on gold today because gold is showing good moves. So yes, on Saturday we discussed about the support level of 1991 to 1988. This is the first support on the chart of gold that we discussed, and we can see that gold is standing on the support level from Friday. If you already have taken a buy position, then I'll say that be on the trade, and already you are in a profit of 10 to 15 pips. I guess there is a further possibility of another 20-30 pips from there. I will not say that keep on waiting, there is a big upset coming up. No, I won't comment on that, because as I already confessed in my Saturday video that in this market situation I'm also targeting 40 to 50 pips. So as a result, I'll also suggest the same to you. Once you get the target of 40 50 pips, it's enough in this type of unpredictable market. So right now 1991 is the current market price here. Overall, our support is doing well. So if you have a buy position right now, be on the trade. Further 20 to 30 pips upside is possible. Then if possible, exit if market does not show any big green candle. Why the size of the candle matters? Because it signifies the volume in the market. And as the market is showing downside right now, okay, and if the fall continues, then the next support on gold will be around 1982 to 1981. This is the next support on the chart of gold. After reaching 1993, 1994, if gold shows further downside again, because the overall structure of the market is weak, so as a result we cannot expect that from this particular support market will be showing a good recovery. After 1993, 1994, if the fall continues again, okay, then you can look for next support around 1982 to 1981. Again, we can expect a temporary bounce of 40-50 pips from this particular level here. 1982-81 is a good level, so definitely I'm going for it. To be honest, when gold was falling, I missed the opportunity because I was sleeping And in my personal life, I maintain few points, like I do not open my laptop before 8 a.m. Okay, when I opened my laptop, I saw that the move was already gone. And in case during the day gold breaks 1987 level, in case gold breaks 1987 level during the day, there can be a risky sell position. Okay, if you're a beginner, new trader, avoid it. But if you're an experienced trader, if you have a good amount of experience on scalping, then you can look for a sell below 1987 as well. During the day, if market shows recovery and hits the level of 1996 to 1998, you can expect some sort of resistance. If market reverses from 1996 1998 level, you can look for a sell position as well. So let me wrap it up. After the market opening, gold chart is weak because it did not get to show reaction after the NFP. So we can see strong reaction right after the market opening. So gold is standing at this first support of 1991 to 1988. And we can see that more or less support is doing the job, but the selling pressure is strong. So as a result, there is a possibility that after 20-30 pips, market may show further downside. If the recovery on gold continues, then 1996 to 1998 may be the next resistance on the chart of gold, where we can expect the sellers to be present. And if market reverses from 1996-1998 level, we can look for a sell. If you already have taken a buy position or at the support level that we discussed on Saturday, then be on the trade. Further 15-20 pips upside is possible, because already we can see that we have received a move of 15 to 20 pips already. So another 20 pips move is possible. Do not expect much from the market as of now, because right now we can see the market is just standing at a support. After a few hours only, you will get a confirmation whether the support has worked or not. Okay, but in this market situation, I will not be recommending that look for a trend reversal. Time will speak. Okay, after a few hours, if you see the market is showing good amount of recovery, then you can continue to be on the trade. But as of now, okay, this is just a confusion right now whether the market takes support or not. But still, you can see that it is not gone yet. The market is still trying to respect the support we discussed. And if during the day, next time when market coming down, market breaks the support, then the next support will be around 1981 to 1982, or this is the level where we can expect the buyers to get activated again, and we can expect the buyers to push the market towards the upside. And around 1981-82 level on the hourly time frame or 50 minutes time frame, if you see market showing price rejection from below, you can look for a buy position. You can target 85-86. Okay, and in case you see that market has come to 1981-82 level with this type of candles, then try not to take any buy position immediately, because there is a possibility that market may break the support as well. Do not forget that no level is permanent in the market. So as a result, confirmation is extremely important. All the banks are closed right now, so as a result, we may not see much move in or on other pairs. So all the eyes will be on gold today. Anyways, my dear friends, be careful. Follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Bye bye. Take care.